This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. Opportunity awaits. Investor special. 3-bedroom, 1-bath home on approximately 0.7-acre lot on North Lafayette Street, just before the turnabout. The living room is huge. The eat-in kitchen has plenty of cabinets. The laundry room is large and has lots of cabinets and lots of windows. It could be used as a sunroom. The home has an enclosed front porch and a covered rear porch. There is a detached single carport. The 2 storge buildings remain. Being sold for cash only. Being sold as is, no repairs to be made. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.